Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this brand new foundation by Il Makiage. Alright, so in today's mail, I did receive my package for this Il Makiage face foundation. I've been seeing it all on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So I wanted to take the plunge and see if this really does what it says it does. So first off, you get it in a nice little box that says Il Makiage New York. It does come with a gift. So we're going to see what they offered us as a gift. So first off in here, you see a little card. This basically tells you over 75% of women get their foundation wrong. Get yours right. How to apply, blend it out, wait 5 minutes. Don't use your neck or wrist to show your difference. Finish your face with a concealer, brush, or bronzer. Wait for the full week to determine if it's the perfect one for you. And then we do get a little surprise in this package. This one here actually did come with a black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And then we have the foundation itself. So here is the liquid eyeliner. And this one is in the black color. So this one is a free gift when you first purchase yours. I'm not sure if they give you eyeliners, lipstick, or whatever, but I'm happy that I did get an eyeliner. I have used this one. I actually love this. In fact, I'm going to start purchasing this one because it is a perfect eyeliner. It gets your lines really thin, looks really nice, goes on smooth like butter. Alright, so now we're going to make our way to the foundation itself. This one was Woke Up Like This in shade 120. So down here it tells you the shade of it, Woke Up Like This, shade number 120, the lot code, and the barcode number. I'm just going to open it from the bottom. And you do get to try this for free for 14 days. If you don't like it, you can send it back. If you like it, they will just charge you the full amount. So this is an actual full size. It is not a tester and it is not a sample. So you do get the full size. You just take a couple quiz questions on their website to determine your skin tone, your color. They ask you about blemishes, wrinkles, dark circles, just to make sure that they get it correct. If you're looking for help with dry skin, combination, oily skin, this does have a little pump to pump out the foundation. So it's super easy to take the quiz. It'll take you about 5 minutes to determine your best color that matches your skin tone. So this is what we get. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try it on and see how this looks. Alright, so we got the foundation right here. So I'm just going to take the top off. I'm going to squeeze a little bit on the back of my hand. You don't need it that much. It says only 2 pumps to do your whole entire face. So I'm just going to pump it on here. It drips a little bit, but not like your normal foundation. So you just take your beauty brush and I'm going to swipe it down like they show in the ads. And you can see it's starting to look like my color. I was so surprised how well this matched because I have so much problem finding the right foundation. The light ones are usually too light and the dark ones usually too dark. So this one actually got right into the middle. So you'll just brush it around your whole entire face, your nose, around your eyes, your cheeks, your chin. And if you want more coverage, you can build this. It is buildable. So now I'm going to start building a little bit more on my forehead, on the sides, around my nose, around the eyes. So you can see how it is starting to get my true tone. It looks really nice. It actually looks like I don't have anything on. It feels super lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have any makeup on or anything that's like a cake on my face. I used to use airbrush. So this is similar to airbrush without actually having to use the airbrush itself. Now I'm completely finished. It looks like I have airbrush makeup on, what is only used from this Il Makiage. If you're looking for a great foundation, I would definitely say check this one out. It feels really nice. It looks nice. All the commercials and the advertise you see is true. Go ahead and check it out on my website at Mari'sReviewChannel.com.